Okay, so let's click on Insert, Shapes, select rectangles, and let's select our text like this. So click and drag till the end. So here we are. Let's go to Format and Shape Styles, Fill, and make sure to select Picture on Texture Fill. Insert Picture From, click on File, Desktop, and select Picture, click on Insert. So here we are, and let's select Transparency and maximize till the percent number what you feel comfortable. So for example like this, yeah, you can make it more or less. Okay guys, hope this video was helpful. Make sure to like, subscribe, and have a nice day. Bye.